latest online banking. As you can see, this is Chase Bank. This is a Chase Bank website. It's an online premium website. So you can see the live chat just pop up. So this site, I'll be taking you through how this website works. Please note this video is for educational purpose only and creating awareness. As you can see, this is a multi-purpose bank. They have dark theme and light theme. You can see the dark and the light theme is working. You have app, mobile app, can download on Apple Play Store or Google Play Store. You can see this is a futuristic bank. So this is the contact us page where users or client can contact the bank admin. So this bank have two sections. You have the admin login section and the user login section. So let's log in the admin. This is the admin cPanel of the bank. As you can see, we have total users 0. This is where you control everything in the bank. This is where you send money. This is the manager. That's where you manage the users. This is where you create a new user account. As a manager, you can create a user account. So we have two methods. Say that you create a user on the manager side, or you go to the website and create a user. So let's create a user. First name, last name, middle name, username, which word click on next. Input the email, the phone number, and the country. They click on next. Set currency. They have over 200 currency here. So let's set US dollars. Then account type, service account. Then transaction pin. Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the next step is the password. Then click on agree to terms of service. Then create accounts. Voila, as you can see, our account is created. So let's check our profile. You can see our profile. You can still verify our KYC. So the next step, let's change our logo, our display picture. Let's just add a random profile picture. So I'll be taking you through how this website works. You can see action successful. So you can see, let's go to the dashboard. We have $0. So as we refresh our admin, you can see we have one user. So you can see our details, transfer code, everything's here. So that's the live chat. You can see the site is responsive. Let's go to the transaction section. No transaction yet. This is where you can apply for virtual card. I'm trying to make this video short. I don't want a long video. To make a long video. So this way you make your local transfer. This way you make local transfer. This way you make international transfer to PayPal, Cash App, cryptocurrency, or any type. So this is where you make deposits. You can deposit through credit card, USDT, bank transfer, PayPal, or Bitcoin. So this is where you swap. This website have where you can swap USDT to Bitcoin. You can swap from Bitcoin to you can swap your money to Bitcoin. So this is where you apply for loan. A user or client can apply for loan. This is where a user or client apply for tax refund. And here is the share section for grant. You can apply as an individual or as a company. So setting, this is where you set your name, your profile, your number, and the rest, your date of birth. Then the last one is the ticket support. This is where you submit tickets as a user. If you're having any issue, you can either submit tickets or use the live chat option to chat with the admin. So as you can see, we have total user 1. So the one we just created, which is Rich Voice Tech. So let's try and credit our accounts. Click on credit. You can do many things here. This is where you can edit everything about the user. You can block account, you can send email, you can credit, you can debit, you can generate transaction, you can edit balance, you can set limits, anything you want. So this is the mobile view. This is how it looks like on mobile phone. You can see it is very, very futuristic. Very, very futuristic. And if you need the app, you can turn the website to an app. Just hit us up. So this way you set everything, the Bitcoin wallet of the user. So it's it is. So put the pin. Voila, you can see how it looks like on mobile. So now we can change the color. If you want to change the color to red, yellow, anything, you can change the color. So let's go back. So let's credit this our account with $5 million. There's $5 million account. You can either put it on the Bitcoin session or the account session. Then account type, select international transfer or local transfer. Sender name, let's just put a random name, Mr. Demo. Description, funding, back address, a random address. The date, you can backdate, you can put a random date, then put the time. So the next way is where you can send SMS or email alerts to user or client. This website automatically sends alerts to users. You can see our account is credited with 5 million. So let's go back to our page and refresh. You can see we now have 5 million. Let's check out the PC view. Let's refresh the site. Voila, you can see we have 5 million USD on our balance. This is a premium online banking website. So let's debit this time. Let's debit the account with, let's say, $1 million. We created with 5 million. Let's debit with $1 million. Just say local transfer, receiver bank, put any bank, receiver name, Mr. Demo 2. Then receiver account number, put a random account number, put a random address, description, withdrawal, then date. You can also back dates or put any date. And you can also send SMS alert or email alert. Click on fund account. As you can see, our balance is now 4 million from 5 million. So let's refresh this. You can see 1 million debited. Let's refresh the mobile view. You can see we now have $4 million in our balance. So you can check transaction. You can generate more transactions if you want. You can generate up to 20 transactions. If you want if you want the account to have history. So here you can edit balance. So let's edit this our balance from 4 million to 8 million. Click on it, then click on submit. As you can see, we now have 8 million as our balance. So let's go back and refresh our user dashboard. You can see 8 million. So let's check the mobile view, the mobile version. You can see from 4 million to 8 million. So you can do so many things with it. So the next step, you can set transfer limits. So let's just leave it at 500,000. You can set two-factor authentication on the bank for more security. You can send email, you can reset password, you can do so many things with the admin side. And on the admin, you can also do settings, the bank name, title, WhatsApp number, your site logo. This way you change it, and this way you add your own transfer code. As you can see, we have 5 different transfer code. You might want to use this transfer code to bill your user or client, depending on how you work. So we had 5 different, and you can decide to off it or on it. So we'll be making a transfer and testing it out. So let's try and send money. Let's send money. Let's make a local transfer first. Let's make a local transfer. You can see our balance is 80 million. So let's transfer 500,000. That's $500,000 USD. So then let's input the beneficiary details, the name, the account number, the bank name, the account type, the routing number, the SWIFT code, then description, then PIN, then click on preview. So preview the account. If you are good to go, you click on continue transfer. You can see it's processing. It will demand for code. It will demand for like 5 codes. So you can see demanded for IMF code, which is International Monetary Fund code. So go back to your admin, you scroll down, you will see it. Paste the code, click on confirm. You can see. So it will demand for another code. Okay, demand for Swift code. So go back. So we have different type of code, but due to this video, I don't want this video to be long. So let me just off the rest code. That 2 code is okay. Let me go back to transfer code and off the next 3 code. I don't want this video to be long. Off. So once you done that, click on update. So let's go back, confirm Swift code. So it will not demand for any code again. But you can decide to off all the whole code depending on how you want to use it. You can see transfer successful, 500 USD has been successfully transferred. So you can print out the receipts, you can share the receipts, anything. So let's view the receipts. This site automatically generates receipts. So you can see the receipt. This way you can send to your clients, or you print it out if you have a printing machine connected to your system. So let's go back. You can see the 500 that be debited. Let's check out our transaction. So no, you have to approve it, it's pending. So go back to your admin to approve the transaction. Go to your admin, click on transfer transactions, then locate it. So you can decide to put it on hold or reject. But for this video, let's put it on paid. Input the date, the time, and click on process. Voila. So let's check our email. You can see all our alerts. You can see email alerts. This is when we created the account. They sent us an email. This is when we credited the account with $5 million. They sent us the alerts, debit alerts, transfer alert, everything. So this website automatically sends alerts to users. So let's refresh from pending to processed. You can see the transfer will be approved. So let's go to the next section. Let's apply for card. You can apply for MasterCard, Visa card, or American Express. So for this video, let's apply for MasterCard. Input the level. Let's select good. Then the currency, US dollar. Then daily spending limit. Then input the card holder, the address, and the city. Okay, let's change this to 1,000. Okay, you can see your virtual card is pending. So to approve it, go back to your admin login and click on virtual card, click on all cards. You can see you can decide to approve or reject. So let's approve it. Let's refresh it. Return to from pending to active. So our online virtual card is now active. So you can use it for your client to shop online. So let's flip the card. You can see the bank generates credit card for users. So let's go back to the dashboard. Let's try and add money. So you can add money with credit card, USDT, bank transfer, PayPal, or Bitcoin. So you can also add more payment gateway though. So let's add $10,000 with using USDT. So you can see you can either scan this area code or copy the code. And let me show you where you can set this place. This is your USDT. You can set it up. Go to the admin section. Go to settings. Go to payment settings. As you can see, we have various type of payment here. You can decide to add any payment method. So this is the USDT. So you can see the same wallet with the one on the side. So you can decide to change it and add your own personal USDT. So if users or code proof, you can see account funds successfully. So the admin needs to approve the transaction. You can see it's pending. The $10,000 is pending. Go back to the admin. Go to transaction, user deposit. Either delete or proceed. So let's click on proceed. You can say processed. So let's refresh it. Return from pending to processed. You can also print out receipts. You can see this bank is very, very premium. So let's go to the next step. You can pay bill, you can check out bank details, you can make transfer. You can also request for deposit. You can see the email alert. You can see they send us alert for the money we funded in the account, for the deposits, for the deposit we made. So let's go to the next step. Let's try and apply for loan. This bank, you can also apply for loan. Okay, this is the bank details. This is the user bank details. They have both bank name, bank account, and Bitcoin wallet. You can also change this Bitcoin wallet to yours if you get the script or get the website. So this is the loan section. This is where a user can apply for loan. So for this tutorial, let's try and apply for $1 million worth of loan. Duration 12 months, credit facility, choose anything, purpose of loan, let's say business. Then monthly net income, this is how much you are getting every month. Then I agree to terms and condition, submit the loan process. So once a user submits the loan process, the admin can either approve or decline if it's not good with it. Let's go back to the admin section loan. You can see pending. Click on more option. So approve it. The loan will be approved. So the money, the loan amount will be added to our balance. You can see $1 million loan status process. You can see the amount is added. So we now have 8.5 million US dollars. So you can also swap. So the next step, let's swap our currency to be Bitcoin. Let's swap $2 million to Bitcoin. You can see a user or client can swap their money to Bitcoin. You can see $2 million will be debited, and we now have 70.6 Bitcoin on our bank. You can decide to swap back the Bitcoin to normal money. So this bank has so many functions. So once you get the scripts, you have access to other functions. I don't want this video to be that long. I want to make a short video today. So this way you can block an account. So let's block the account. You can see we have blocked this user account. So once an account has been blocked, a user cannot access the account again. You can see the user will be logged out. So let's input the username and password and check if you can access it again. As you can see, account block. Your accounts have been blocked for security reasons. Please contact support. So you can see use this to be your client or the user. So let's unblock the accounts. So you can do so many things with this bank. Input password, sign into account, input the PIN. As you can see, the account is back. So if you need this online banking website, I will leave a link below where you can contact us to create for you. You can see the mobile view. The mobile view is both responsive and they have light theme and dark theme. So if you need this website, just hit us up. Or if you need the scripts, maybe you have a host and you have a domain, you need the scripts, just hit us up. Okay, let's test out the live chat. This is the live chat section. A user can chat live with the customer. So as an admin, you have the power to approve or reject the chat. So let's accept the chat. I want to make a transfer. Accept chat. So the admin can reply. You make deposits to your account. So the user will see it. So reply okay. So this way you chat live. If you have a user or client on your website, you can chat with him or her live. Maybe to direct them to make payment or how it works in case they have any question. So this is the simple online banking website. It's not simple, it's powerful. So please, this video is for educational purpose only. This video is for educational purpose only. If you need these websites or you need the script, I will leave a link below where you can contact Fishboy Tech to get it. Thank you. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below, and do well to like